Hello everyone. Previous ga manam CPT 10,000 series, what are the important guidelines chusam. Okay, in today's session, day 2, 20,000 series of CPT, the important topics on 20,000 series musculoskeletal system, trigger point injections. In the case of trigger point injection, what we need to see, number of muscles. We need to see the number of muscles. Then followed by arthrocentesis. Arthrocentesis, the surgical puncture to remove the fluid from joints. Okay, the removing the fluid from the joints is called as arthrocentesis with the help of needle. Okay, in the case of arthrocentesis, we have three types of joint. Okay, small joints, intermediate joints, and major joints. Okay, with ultrasound, without ultrasound, we need to watch. Then external fixation. Okay, when the fracture on the bones, the doctor externally with the help of needles, screws, rods, and any devices, he uses any devices to treat the fractures from externally. That is called external fixation. It is three types. What are they? Uniplane, single plane. Only one side he will use, that is called uniplane external fixation. Then we will be having multiplane external fixation. Multiplane is nothing but total, all sides. Then halo application. When the congenital deformity unna skull ki, okay, chuttu halo lanti structure rod ni use cheskoni, okay, treat cheyadaniki try cheste, that is called as halo application. We call it as halo application. Then we having the bone graft. Okay, if there is a fracture, the loss of bone, when there is a loss of bone, the physician uses the bone graft in the case of fragments. The fracture repairs. We know fracture treatment. According to the ICD-10-CM, we have the types of fractures. What are the types of fracture? Pathological, traumatic, displaced, non-displaced, closed, and open. But in the case of CPT version, fracture repairs. How the fracture was repairing, the type of fracture, whatever it may be, from the ICD. Okay, we have to watch while coding the CPT 20,000 series. We need to see the type of repair. In the case of fracture repair, we have three types of repair: open treatment, closure fracture repair, as well as percutaneous treatment. In the closure treatment, we have the with stabilization and with manipulation. What does mean by manipulation, sir? Manipulation is nothing but using, the physician uses external force. Okay, any force, fracture అయినప్పుడు డాక్టర్ ఏదైనా ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయిన ప్లేస్ లో ఈ ఫోర్స్ యూజ్ చేసి, ఓకే, ఇలా చేతులతోటి ఫిక్స్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as విత్ మ్యానిపులేషన్. స్టెబిలైజేషన్ అంటే కట్టు కడతాడు. ఫ్రాక్చర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ లో కట్టు కట్టడం అనేది ఇంక్లూడెడ్. దెన్ స్పైన్ ప్రొసీజర్. స్పైన్ is nothing but vertebral column. What is the vertebral column? A column of bones which protects the spinal cord. Spinal cord ni protect chese, that is called as vertebral column. Okay, in this spinal procedure, partial excision of vertebral column, any lesions on the vertebrae, ఆ bones లో ఏమైనా lesions ఉన్నట్టే వాటి కట్ చేయడానికి partial excision యూజ్ చేస్తాడు. Osteotomy of spine, making osteo is nothing but bone. Otomy is nothing but surgical incision on that bone. Percutaneous vertebroplasty and percutaneous vertebral augmentation. When there is a vertebral column bone లో fracture ఉన్నప్పుడు doctor uses the needle with the help of cement material. He will inject the cement material, that is called as percutaneous, through the skin. Vertebroplasty, surgical repair of vertebrae. Then followed by arthrodesis, surgical fixation of joints or surgical fixation of spinal bones. Then followed by amputation. Do you know what does mean by amputation? Amputation is nothing but removing of limbs, maybe legs, toes, elbow until knee. Okay, cut chesi remove chese amputation antamu. Then arthroplasty, the surgical repair of joints. Then followed by cast and strapping. I said you right, fracture repair lo kattu kattadam anedi included. When the patient is coming for the second time, the cast and strapping course we should code. Then arthroscopy. Most important procedure is called as meniscectomy or meniscal repair. We need to watch that, and we need to watch in the arthroscopy what are the both lateral and medial meniscus, or only lateral or medial meniscus అని చూసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. These are the most important procedures on the 20,000 series of the musculoskeletal system. Okay, for the long videos, please visit long YouTube videos. Okay, entire guidelines you will find in the long YouTube video. Thank you everyone.